Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic logarithm. In the previous video, we considered the properties of logarithm. In this video and the subsequent ones, we are going to consider the laws of logarithm. We will be considering 3 laws in total. Let's look at the first one. Law 1. Law 1 says that if you have the logarithm of a number x to the base a and the logarithm number x has an exponent n, so we have log x exponent n base a. This can be written as n times or n log x exponent a. So if the logarithm number x has an exponent n, then the exponent can multiply the logarithm number to the base given. So here, if you have log x exponent n base a, it can be written as n log x exponent n log x base a. So for example, if you have log 7 exponent 2 base 3, it can be written as 2 log 7 base 3. If you have log 25 base 5, we know that we can express 25 in index form. If you express this in index form, you have 5 exponent 2. This will give us 2 log 5 base 5. We learned in the previous video that the logarithm of any number to the same base is 1, which means that log 5 base 5 is 1. So you have 2 times 1, which will give us 2. If you have log 1000, remember if you have log 1000, it's the same as log 1000 base 10. We can express 1000 in index form. That will give us 10 exponent 3. So this can be written as 3 log 10. And this is equal to 3 times 1 because log 10 is 1. Log 10 is the same as 10 to the base log 10 to the base 10, and that is 1. So you have 3 times 1, which will give us 3. So anytime you have the logarithm of a number x and that number is raised to the power n, it can be written as n log x to the given base, which is a. Let's solve some questions with this law. Evaluate the following. So this time we are not going to use the definition of logarithm to evaluate this. You can use the definition of logarithm to evaluate this, but this time we are going to use this law that you studied to evaluate this. Let's consider the first one. Log 27 base 3. Remember, we can express 27 in index form as 3 exponent 3. So if you express 27 in index form as 3 exponent 3, we are going to have log 3 exponent 3 base 3. And this will give us 3 log 3 exponent 3. Log 3 base 3 will give us, so here you have 3 log 3 to the base 3, not exponent. So you have 3 log 3 to the base 3. Okay, we know that log 3 to the base 3 is 1. So we are going to have 3 times 1, which will give us 3. Let's consider the second one also. We have log 32 to the base 2. We can express 32 in index form. And when we do that, you have 2 exponent 5. So if we are going to get log 2 exponent 5 to the base 2. From the law that we just studied, this can be written as log 5 log 2 to the base 2. Okay, we know that log 2 to the base 2 is 1 because any number, the logarithm of any number to the same base is 1. So you have 5 times 1, and 5 times 1 is 5. Let's consider the last question. You have log 0.25 to the base 2. 0.25 is the same as 1 divided by 4. So if you point 0.25 on your calculator, you will find out that it's the same as 1 divided by 4. When we were studying indices, we saw that 1 divided by 4 can be written as 4 exponent minus 1. So you have log 4 exponent minus 1 to the base 2. We can express 4 in index form such that it has a base of 2. So we are going to have 2 exponent 2. Don't forget that there's already minus 1 here, so times minus 1. And this will give us log 2 exponent minus 2 to the base 2. From the law that we just studied, this can be written as minus 2 times log 2 to the base 2. And you have minus 2 times log 2 base 2 is 1. So you have minus 2 times 1, which will give us minus 2. So using this law, we have been able to solve these questions. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to learn about the second law of logarithm. Bye-bye.